Ever feel like your life needs a roadmap? Let's chart your course to success with 7 easy steps. Start by identifying your core values and purpose. Reflect on what's most important to you. Next, set clear, specific goals for key areas like career, relationships, and health. Create a vision board or life roadmap to visualize your dreams. Then break down those goals into actionable steps with deadlines. Prioritize based on your current life stage and adjust focus as needed. Establish positive habits and routines that support your goals. Finally, review, reflect, and refine regularly to stay on track. By following these steps, you'll have a structured approach to planning your life and turning your vision into reality. Let's get started. By S.D.A. Williams.